Previously, we talked about relations, ordered paid, Cartesian products. Before getting more familiar with other topics in relation, let's do some questions on what we have done till now, what we have understood till now. So here is our first question. Question 1 is, we have been given a set P which is containing two elements 1 and 2, and we have to find P cross P cross P. Now here we will use the same funda that we have used in Cartesian products, the funda of Cartesian product. So what we have to do, basically this question is demanding us to find 1, 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1, 2. So what we will do here is P cross P cross P will be equals to, let's take first element, then first element, second element. Try to understand the logic what we are doing here. First, second. Now all the two are completed here. So we'll take first, second and first. Then first, second, second. Now these are also completed. So we'll take second, first, then second, first, second. Then it's gonna be, we have done second, first, second. Then it's second, first, and then second, second. Separated by commas. Now if you count here, there are total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements in this P cross P cross P. Now if we use the number of element formula in P cross P cross P, this will be equals to the number of elements in all these sets multiplied. That is, it will be P have 2 elements and 2 elements. This is gonna be 8, and we already have 8 here, so we have not missed any ordered pair, and this is totally correct. We have a question here in which we have been given Cartesian product of A and B. This is the Cartesian product of A and B, and we have been asked to tell the elements of A and B. So what we have to do here, elements in A will be A. Since it is A cross B, the elements in A will be the first ones. So basically it is going to be set of first elements. So it will be equals to P, again P, but in a set we don't repeat, so it is going to be P and M. And for B, it is going to be set of second elements, which is going to be Q and R, and since we don't repeat in a set, it will be Q and R only. So elements of A are P, M, and elements of B are Q, R. We have another question here in which a set A is given and it is having elements 1 and 2 respectively. Sorry, not respectively, because they can be in any order. That doesn't matter in a set. So A is having 1, 2 as its elements, and B is having 3, 4 as its element. And we have to find subsets of A cross B. Or we know that subset of A cross B is called relation. So basically we have to find how many relations can be formed under A cross B. So we have to find how many relations can be formed under A cross B. So basically, first of all, we'll find A cross B. This is going to be 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So basically A cross B is having 4 elements. But we have been asked subsets of A cross B. How many subsets I can form of A cross B? So these will be, so if you see, there are total of 15 subsets of A cross B. That is, there are 15 number of relation that can be formed under A cross B. But finding all the subsets is a very hard stuff to do. So there is a pretty simple formula for that. And the formula is to find how many relation can be formed under A cross B, and that will be 2 to the power mn minus 1. So here m and n are number of elements in A and B, or you can say number of elements in A, that is m, and number of elements in B, that is n, and vice versa, that is number of elements in A, that is n, and number of elements in B, that is m. So this formula can be used here, and this will, if you use this formula, this will give us 2 to the power m. Number of elements in A is 2 and number of elements in B is 2. So 2 into 2 minus 1 here. This is going to give us 2 to the power 4 minus 1. 16 minus 1 equals to 15. And that is the answer. Or you can say that this formula here, mn is number of elements in our Cartesian product. So you can also say that the formula is 2 to the power number of elements in our Cartesian product. Let's take it x, number of elements in our Cartesian product minus 1. Number of elements in Cartesian product is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 2 to the power 4 minus 1, that is 15.